Thank you for joining me at 9504 Sheffield Road, Perrysburg, Ohio, located on the 15th hole at the Belmont Country Club. The exterior of 9504 Sheffield has a beautiful country French design with a combination of brick and stucco. Let's take a look inside. As you enter this stunning home, you first notice the tile foyer is spacious and opens up to the great room. The great room definitely has a wow factor with vaulted ceilings, a soaring 2-story staircase with an elegant crystal chandelier, hardwood floors, a gas fireplace, and a beautiful view of the golf course with floor-to-ceiling windows. The formal dining room makes a statement of elegance with a beautiful crystal chandelier, crown mold and chair rail, as well as decorative hardwood floors. The eat-in kitchen boasts cabinets galore, custom-made by Grable Cabinetry. Several other features include granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, tile floors, and a 9-foot patio door to the vinyl composite deck in the backyard. As you make your way to the garage, you'll find the first of 4 full baths that have been fully remodeled, a main floor laundry room, and closets galore. On the first floor, you will also find a 4th bedroom that could be a den. As you make your way up the soaring staircase, you'll find the second fully remodeled bathroom and 2 bedrooms with ample closet space. The primary suite doesn't get much better. Your eye first catches the 2nd floor balcony overlooking the 15th hole of the Belmont Country Club, and there is no shortage of storage with 2 walk-in closets. The primary bath has undergone an extensive remodel project with tile floors, tile shower, a jacuzzi tub to relax in after a hard day's work, and a generous-sized vanity with 2 vessel bowl sinks. The basement is fully finished with a tiled family room with plenty of space for entertaining. The basement also has a 5th possible bedroom, as well as the 4th fully remodeled bathroom and still more storage. In the rear of the home, there's a vinyl composite deck and a 2nd floor vinyl composite deck off the primary suite, where you can enjoy the sunrise with your morning cup of coffee while overlooking the 15th hole of the Belmont Country Club. Thank you for joining me on this tour of 9504 Sheffield in Perrysburg, Ohio. Please call me direct at 419-367-2667 for a private tour.